So hi guys and welcome in today's video. In today's video we're going to be learning programming. So let's start. So you could say we're not going to do lesson 7, but we're going to do something else. Because like last video we did lesson 6, which is Python basics, which was a review. But under it something called supercharge, and it also has lessons, it's another review. So let's do it. Oh, I clicked on it says, what does this code display? If you want to answer, you could just pause the video and think, and then answer, and then you can check if your answer is correct. So now it says, what does this code display? Movie equal Mulan print movie. So it will just print movie. Might say, why? Because look here, we wrote print movie, it has double quotes. It's just gonna print movie. Not for example, Mulan. See, now it says, what value does this variable store? Next underscore appointment equal interview. Okay. Next appointment equal interview. So the value stores in interview. Boom. It says code a descriptive snake case variable name to store this car brand. Just car underscore brand equals Tesla. Okay. Now it says display step underscore 1 and then step underscore 2. So print with the double brackets or braces, then step underscore 1. Then we go under it and write print 2 brackets step underscore 2. Okay guys, so let's check it. This is shift flour, mix and sugar. Sift flour, shift and sugar. Now it says, what does this code display in the console? Print connect to power, print press the upload button. So it will print connect to power and press the upload button. And you might say, why the fourth one will not be it? Because this one is not in the order. This one says connect to power, press the upload button. And this one here, it is the opposite. It says press the upload button, then connect button, connect to power. But no, the answer is true. See? Now it says display one new message in the console. So we're just gonna write print. Boom. One new message. Now it says store the string value blue in the favorite underscore color variable. So we're just gonna write blue. Two double quotes. So when we put double quotes, then inside them we're gonna write blue. Easy. Now it says display the variable astronaut. Print. Bro, easy. Print. Let me put the second bracket. And then astronaut. Wait, oopsie. let's write then astronaut. Boom. Check it. Kalpana Chawla. Okay. Now it says, how do we know that the variable answer stores a string? Because of the quotes around. 47, because of the variable name. We can't know if it stores a string. It doesn't store a string, no. Because of the quotes around, like it. Let's continue. What's wrong with this variable name? It says variable names can't contain underscores. But we call it a snake case because we use underscore. So it works. What is it? Starts as new underscore entry should be capitalized. Like, oh, what does it have to do with the variable? It can be small or capital. It's fine. Even a mix. It's fine. Now it says there's nothing wrong with the variable name, which is incorrect. Variable names can't contain spaces. So this one is correct. The other three are not correct. Look. Boom. Now it says give a string value to this variable. Okay. So give a string value to this variable. So we're just gonna put two double quotes. Or just double quotes, and then beside them morning. Boom. Okay, now the last like maybe lesson in this part or last question. What does this code display? Print good morning. So it's a good morning. So it will display the console good morning. Boom. Let's checking our progress. Okay, you're on a 5-day streak. Great job building your streak. Continue. Daily goal conquered. Here we finished the first part. Well, there are 5 parts. So let's do the next one. It says what's wrong with this code? Today equals Sunday. Today equals Monday. Print today. So it will print what? There's no variable named Sunday. So okay. There's nothing wrong with the code. You can't store a variable in a variable. Wait. A variable Monday hasn't been created. So there's no variable named Sunday. Yeah. No, like there's something called today. On the side this is Sunday. So boom, this one is out. And the variable Monday hasn't been created. And there's nothing called Monday, so what does this have to do? Now it says there's nothing wrong with the code, or you can't store a variable in a variable. So we need to check. Maybe. Oh, wait. See today, like I think the Monday does not have double quotes. So technically, you could say Monday hasn't been created. So the answer will be the variable Monday hasn't been created. Look. What does this code? What does this display in the console? Build 30. split underscore bill equal bill slash 2 print split underscore bill. It will be 15.0, which is a float. Now it says create a variable message that stores the result of combining notification followed by kind. So no notification equal no appointment, kind equal meeting, print message. Create a variable message that follows the result of combining. Oh, so here on the third line we can create a variable called message, and it will equal notification plus time. Let's check. Boom. Now to save the result of an expression, adding the variable feedback followed by tickets booked in the variable response without using fstring. Follow versus save the result of an expression, adding the variable feedback followed by tickets booked and the variable response. Oh wait, I think I know response equal feedback plus 2 double quotes tickets booked. Oh, we did it. Let's continue. Fill the gas to reassign the value of the variable so that Luis covers Brandon's shift for today. Oh, no. We need to put 2 double quotes and then Luis. Hey, how did I not write to the side? Okay. But you boom. Today's shift Luisi. So let's continue. What does this display in the console? Display in the console plans equal cinema. Plans equal picnic. So Saturday equal picnic because we changed the variable. Just look here, plans equals cinema, and then we did plans again, but it equals picnic. So we updated the variable, and now it contains picnic. So now let's continue. That says, what does this display in the console? Tries left equal 4. Tries left equal 4. Print tries underscore left. Print 4. Boom. Now it says use a variable to update the button underscore label so that the code displays go in the console. Start underscore label equal go, stop underscore label equal stop, with underscore label. To know what? So that the code displays go in the console. The underscore label, reset underscore label, boom. That is, what kind of value does the total variable store? A total equals 3 plus 5, print total, then total. So, a number value, boom. It says update the language variable to Spanish for the statement. Okay. That's Spanish. If we run it, how update the, okay, wait. We need it to be capital. Spanish. Okay guys, so give me a second real quick. Okay guys, so let's continue. Now it says code a number expression that results in 5. Oh, value 7, then so average equals, we're gonna write value underscore 1 minus value underscore 2, and print average. Wait, how? Wait, there's, what if we did plus, maybe? Because we slash 2 in the end. Okay, now let's continue. It says you're on fire. Seems like we're gonna stop a bit today. Let's continue. So time for part 3. Now it says create a variable result and store true in it. So result and it equals true. Boom. Okay. Now it is use not to display false in the console. Print not true. Boom. Now it says use not and false to store true and allow underscore cookies. So it's not false. Oopsie, the N should not be capital. Now boom, true. Now it says does this code display in the console? Logged in equal true. Logged in equal true. Then logged underscore in equals not true. Then print logged in. So it will print not true. Because I just in the first one did not say logged underscore n, but it's actually logged underscore n. So it will print not true. Oh wait, no, not true. I forgot now because it's not true. So when we're gonna print logged, it will not print not true. It will print false because that's the opposite of true. Boom. How it is create a variable silent underscore mode with the value false. So silent underscore mode equal false. Boom. It's correct. Now it says create a variable and is underscore variable and set it to a negated variable. So how will we do it? So is underscore available. Oh, what? Oh, wait. Okay, so is underscore available. Now it will equal. Wait, we're gonna write equal not open underscore slot. Boom. One false. We did it. Now it says which of these store true in is underscore even. Boom. The second one. Ta-da! Now create a variable, update and set it to the negated value of the variable flight mode. Oh, easy. Update equal not flight underscore mode. Check it. Boom. And the last question in part from quick 3. What does this display in the console? Flight underscore mode equals true. Updating equal not flight underscore mode. Use underscore apps equal not updating. Print use underscore apps. It will print not. So it will print true. Okay, so let's continue. Thinking your progress. You're on fire. Seems like unstoppable today. So continue. Now 2 more parts. So let's do them. First one, which operator do we use to check that 2 values are different? Equal. Or no, I mean not equal. Boom. Now it says check if the variables are different. So we're gonna put boom. Let's check it. Yeah. Okay, now it says code the number to make the comparison result in true. So print 5. Boom. So now it says create the variable game underscore over. Check if tries underscore left is equal to 0. Can't store the result in game over. Okay, so you're like 2. So we're gonna here game under. Oh wait, we need to be behind. So game underscore over equals tries score left equal 0 maybe. Boom. So now it says game over false. So what decides whether 2 variables are equal? their values. Boom. Now it says check if the today variable is equal to 13. So print today equal 13. No. It says what does this code display in the console? So print same underscore score. So here it says player 1 equal player 2. So 0, 10. Boom. No. So it will say it's a tie and then true. Boom. Now it is code an operator to check if 50 and 500 are not equal to display true in the console. So equal. No, I mean they're not equal. Boom. Wait, so why did I? Okay, not equal. So let's check it true. Now it says what does this code display on the console? So downloaded equal 9, downloaded equal download plus 1, in progress equal downloaded not equal 10, print download finished, print in progress download finished 10 or no. Download finished and then false. Boom. Now, the last question of this part, code the operator to make no underscore point store false. So, equal. Boom. Now it's checking our progress. It will just say you're on a fire, seems like unstoppable today. Okay, so now the last part in supercharge. Let's do it. Now it says what values does this if string display together? Okay. So what does this if string display together? So if add quantity grams of ingredients, quantity 100, ingredient sugar. So it will print strings and numbers. Boom. Add 100 grams of sugar. Now it says use the task variable on an if string to display todo dishes. To do dishes. Okay, so print if then to do the curly brackets. Where was it? I don't know. To do this, then curly brackets, then task, close the curly brackets, and boom, to do dishes. Now it says what's wrong with this code? Request equal to int requests new friend request. Now the character F is missing. Boom. Now it says use an F string and the variable name to display hello John again. So we're just gonna put like 2, but this time like in an F string. Now here it says hello. Okay, hello. Then 2 curly brackets and then name. Boom. Oh wait, if we go to the exclamation mark, oopsies. Okay, boom. Now it says hello John. It's in 2 different ways. Now it says what does this code display in the console? Min underscore age equal 18. Max underscore age equal 28. Print if 88% of social media users are aged between min underscore age and max underscore age. So 88% of social media users are aged between 18 and 28. Boom. Now it says insert 2018 at the end of this F string. Okay. 2018. Boom. Mexico was the leading avocado producer in 2018. Now it says, what does this code display? First, equal English. Second, equal Mandarin Chinese. Third, equal Hindi. Print F, most spoken languages equal first, second, third. Most spoken languages be English, Mandarin Chinese, and Hindi. Boom. Now it says display the destination, the hours, and finally the minutes inside the F string. The hours equal 14, minutes equal 45, destination equal Paris, and if your flight to destination takes off at hours and then minutes. Boom, your flight to Paris takes off at 14:45. This is what does this display in the console. So player underscore 1 equal rock, player underscore 2 equal rock. Print F, it's a tie between player underscore 1 and player underscore 2. It's a tie between rock and rock. Boom. Now it says, what's wrong with this code? What's his name equal Kim, greeting equal good morning, name. I forgot the F string. There should be an F before the string in greeting. Yes, boom. To store the F string into the variable fact. Boom. Water is 11.19% hydrogen. Now it says how often can we use curly brackets to insert different kinds of values inside F strings? As often as we'd like. Now it says use curly braces and use curly braces to insert the number 200 at the beginning of the F string. Boom. 200 grams of flour. Now the last question in this part. So cocoa equals 70. So print F, boom, then the percent. Okay, where is the percent here? Okay, percent. And then close it, and then a bracket of C0 to 0. Boom, 70% cocoa. So it's checking our progress. So you're on fire. Seems like I'm unstoppable today. Okay, guys. So finished supercharge. Now the lessons were creating variables, using variables, true and false, checking number equality, and formatting strings. So technically we practiced like all the last lessons. Boom. So bye guys, and I'll see you in the next video. And make sure to get ready for our next video, because in our next video we're gonna do our very first Python project. So bye guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.